first time design PCB. So I went to like couple hours of YouTube.
You were involved in building the first prototype of this board, right? Tell me your experience.
All right. So firstly, like the first revision of the board was done by someone else, and they just pretty much copied the PCB design and put everything together.
Okay.
And then there's some issues.
What do you mean by copy? How did they copy some hardware?
Well, it's not really copy because it's open source project.
Oh.
So he just using the other people's design and put together. Yeah. And then obviously it won't work like that, and then there's lots of issues. So Hans was helping on assembly the first revision, and then he found some problems, and then we mark out the problems and try to solve it on the second revision. I designed.
How do you find problems? How do you find the problem?
How do we find the problem? We just through various testing like power.
Trial, but a lot of trial.
Yeah. And so I helped design on the second revision of the PCB, which is actually my first time design PCB. So I went to like couple hours of YouTube videos and learn how to design like PCB. And
that's amazing, man. Couple hours on YouTube and you know how to design PCB, man.
It's not. Well, basically you need to have some little bit background knowledge, and then it's easy to adapt. So after the second revision, everything is sort of working, but we found other problems, and then after that Hans start to making like prototyping PCBs. So after I think 10 or 12 revisions, so we finally landed to the final ones we are happy with.
So in each of the iteration or revision, do you have to print out the PCB and then test it again, or is it a software testing or hardware testing?
It's hardware, all hardware. So
you have to try it. You have to actually build it physically, and then you.
So each revision we had like 2 or 3. So we made like 5 boards, I think 5 or 10 board like PCBs, and assemble like 2 or 3 and just for testing. So some of them are power related issues, and the GPIO pins are not functioning the way we want, so we need to move pieces around.
I'm looking at the board right now. The form factor is pretty small, isn't it, to have so many plugs? So does that take a while to organize everything?
It's 2 set PCB, and most of the components are on the bottom set, which now pretty much no way to put any more stuff or moving pieces around.
It's already crowded.
It's too crowded.
Okay. That's good. So how many trials before you have the final edition of the board?
12, I think. 12. Oh wait, 14, I think.
Wait. Think about it first. 14. And the period of time it takes to go from 0 to 14. How long was it?
So from November 2018 till November, so 1 year.
1 year. Wow.
1 year
for 14 version.
Wow.
Okay. So
I think it's already like fast because we get the advantage of getting like components really fast. We could get everything like in 1 day, just for each region or something.
Oh, actually, I don't know because I don't have experience with that. But 1 year, wow! And also, a second thing is when you were like designing or redesigning this thing, right? Do you have to constantly check to see if is this manufacturable, or do the manufacturer use this part or that kind of stuff? Do you have to do that constantly, or you design the whole thing and you make it work and then you give it to the manufacturer? So what's the process is like? What was the process like?
Okay, so for our board, firstly, we sort of arrange everything at the beginning, and then say like the powers are at the bottom, and then the 40-pin GPLs aligned to the Raspberry Pi, and then the left side are the servo, the GPL pins. So at that side, then we design the center part, which sort of already thinking about the manufacturing process already. But still, there's lots of things could happen, like once you start to make it.
So you cannot just make something and then just tell the manufacturer make this. No, right?
No,
you have to plan ahead, right? Oh, okay.
Yeah, you need to plan ahead.
So that's why it takes 1 month. That totally makes sense now. You have to keep in touch with that. So when will it be shipped, this product?
Oh, so it's already shipped.
Oh, it's already shipped?
Already shipped in, I think, January this year.
Oh.
So we manufactured in November, and like packaging and stuff. It's another month, and then we shipped out. So the first batch was delivered in January, and they only stock like 10 pieces for the sensor bundle and 10 pieces for the educational car bundle.
Is it the exploration kit bundle? Is that what you're saying?
Exploration kit. Yeah, we changed that name.
Sorry.
Recently.
It's fine.
Yeah, that's okay. And now we still have another like 15 pieces each sitting in our office waiting to be collected.
Collected? What do you mean?
To be shipped to America, like cross supply. So I think that's why they changed the date for the customers on their website.
Oh, because of the recent event, right? Because of the
recent the pandemic.
Okay, I understand.